So, good evening, all, and welcome to the channel My Trading Live on 18th of September 2020. And let us see how the Nifty has performed today and how it could perform in the coming future sessions. So, from it has been a very interesting week, and the Nifty trading between or trading in a range, and that too a very short range of around 150 points. So you can see over here, this is the 1 hour time frame, and this 14th of September being this Monday. So from this Monday onwards, okay, the Nifty 50 has been trading from 11,400 to 11,580. Now in these things, there in this particular chart, there are certain important things that were to be seen. That is, first of all, this if you eliminate this particular lines, okay, yeah, these particular extension lines, then you can see that the Nifty is trading in this trading band of around 11,400 to 11,560. Okay, and then the Nifty 50 over here, we can see after this particular this rise of the Nifty 50, the Nifty retracted to the 0.6 levels of the this rally, and then after the retraction, it again moved forward. Okay, and this particular forward move crossed the 0 point after crossing the 0.78 levels. It for the first time in the last 2 weeks crossed the 11,580 levels and almost reached 11,620. But however, it couldn't sustain this particular level, and then it dropped down to the 11,500 levels in this particular trading session. So this was the summary of what happened in this past week. Right now, in order to analyze the Nifty 50, what I have tried to do is, over here I have tried to bring the draw a trend line over here. So taking this particular point under consideration and this point under consideration, I have drawn the trend line. However, you can see this trend line being broken and the Nifty 50 coming down from over here, breaking down over here. Okay, but there is another important thing to notice, that if we eliminate this particular session, okay, and if we take a trend line, draw a trend line taking this points, okay, into consideration. So let us take these particular points into consideration. So this is the first point, okay, and then so over here, so we get a perfect trend line where we can see that the Nifty 50 is bouncing back almost more than 3-4 times. So you can see the first bounce is over here, second, third, then the third, fourth. Okay, so this becomes a perfectly valid trend line, and you can see over here, after the Nifty 50 tried to break this trend line, it again bounced back over here, and it is taking support on this particular trend line. So it becomes a quite valid and a solid trend line. So taking this trend line into consideration, and another thing, that is, after I'll remove this particular Fibonacci retracement, okay, and I will create one new retracement taking this particular rally into consideration. So let us say this rally into consideration, and you can see that the 0.50%, so the 0.5 or the 50% retracement mark comes at exactly 11,500 levels. So over here we can see the Nifty 50 has taken the support. Okay, so we can assume that this particular support, according to the technicals, is a quite solid support, and then it will be important to see whether the Nifty 50 is breaking this support. If this support is broken, that is at 11,500, then it might be necessary to take a bearish view for the Nifty 50 in the coming future. Else, for the Monday session, it will be necessary to see whether it is able to break this 11,580 level, or for surely on Tuesday, that is the 23rd. Okay. Okay, so Tuesday seems to be a holiday. Okay, or no. So on the Tuesday, by Tuesday or by Wednesday, there should be definitely a breakout from this particular trading range, and we should be able to see we should be able to see exactly where the Nifty 50 could be heading, okay, in by the 23rd of September, that is this coming Wednesday. So thank you for tuning in to this channel. If you like my technical analysis, please like the videos, and please subscribe to the channel for the uh, uh, interesting technical analysis of the Nifty 50 in the coming future. So thank you all. See you then, and take care.